Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for a fun and engaging way to have your quotes at home, at work, or anywhere, I highly recommend this felt board by whoaon. I really like how versatile it can be, and I like that this is a great material felt board. I've owned others, and this surpasses all of them. I really appreciate that they come with cursive letters. They have emojis. As you can see, even my husband has been using this. It comes with also gold and white letters that are pre-cut. Yep, you heard it right. They're pre-cut. It takes forever when they are not. I also like that you have the option to either hang it on the wall or put the stickers so it can stand up. This has been so much fun. My guests and my family have truly enjoyed it. So if you're looking for a felt board that it's versatile, great quality, that comes with gold and white letters that are pre-cut, and that it's beautifully packaged, making it the ideal gift, definitely check this one out by whoaon. And that's my point of view.